are not just words.
Peace holds the peace of our pen, a caution of motion in our emotion, giving attention to mention the tension of COVID-19.
Yesterday it was all smiles and laughter. Today courage and pain that the world cannot explain, only complain. All because of coronavirus. Or did I say coronavirus?
Yes,
Coronavirus.
All started in one seafood market. A virus without a device spread so fast, with the task of putting the world at stake without taking a break. Tears of pain and suffering falling from the eyes of the world, like the waters of the might Victoria Falls. So might and powerful the virus is to hold us tight and putting our fears on a higher height.
Many are thoughts in minds of nations, just watching the fountain of happiness slowly, slowly and slowly becoming dry. Nations troubled, nothing they can do, just to cry. The fountain of peace has become a desert, so dust people kiss. What kind of a plague is this? The days are no longer the same. The night is also dark. There is no reason to laugh. There is not a single spark. Things are tougher. The virus dragging people, nations and continents into an intensive care in the corner of the world without an award, making our lives so much harder. So tougher we suffer pakatafa, all because of coronavirus. We are not at easy. Feeble and miserable has become our label. So indefinable, unpredictable and unexplainable you are.
Corona, what kind of a crown are you? Instead of giving a town, you bring a virus, which takes people down 6 feet underground. Nations are busy preparing and hunting for a bright tomorrow. Only you gives them sorrow. You attack the body that left it with shortness of breath, leading to death, experiencing fever instead of favor.
You have humbled so many great nations with your manifestation of the infection to everyone who comes in contact with you, causing suffocation by blocking their respiration without regression or retaliation. So to mention, the world is crying in bitter, even as it recalls its better days, but instead you remain merciless and deaf, calling southern in death to grave as your intention. You refuse to pay attention to the medication and injections. Your rejection has caused tension and the economy to retardation, with less expectation of your domination to every nation. But wait, let me bring to your attention that on every cloud has a silver lining and a sure sign of rainfall. In misfortune, pain and agony, there is a sure sign of victory. Your Royal Highness Corona, your crown shall fall as the dark cloud pave way for the light, bringing you to humiliation as every nation sings songs of victory.
Our fountain of peace and joy has become too low, cause we are in the valley of sorrow instead of dream valley. We don't even know what tomorrow will bring. It feels like we are in a fighting ring at the losing side. There is noise and shoutings, not of victory, not of glory, but of pain, of sadness and of sorrow. Oh, I feel sorry about this story.
Oh, dear brother, don't be sorry. We can redirect this story and it will bring glory. If only Tazisungandimita. You are not safe until you are safe. Stay safe by sanitizing your hands. Take no risk of handshake. Stay safe by putting on the mask. This is a task. Stay safe by being indoors. Avoid unnecessary movements and meetings. As the Easterners say, stay safe by avoiding touching your face, mouth, nose, and surfaces.
All applause to His Excellence Dr. Edgar Chagwa Lungu, who is leading the nation in the worst and unbearable situation, Kopanda Kugwa or giving up on the nation. Appreciation to the Honorable Minister of Health, doctors, nurses, and all stakeholders, Never Uncle Bomani Lusambo, for your tireless work you serve. Although critics make us suffer, remember trees lose their leaves onto blossom in summer. So repel negativity with the positivity and watch life bring every single possibility. Let us all adhere to the communication of sensitization to avoid the damnation in every community, but this is the only immunity for the pandemic as we wait for the restoration. Mask on, sanitize your hands, shake no hands and stay indoors. Stay safe to stay alive. This is the prevention as we bring to humiliation and discretion of this mysterious crown with the unknown origination or generation.
Be brave, stay safe, and be safe. Together, yes, we can. Always remember,
2 ants does not fail to pull a grasshopper.